How to get gold notes on Instagram. Well, the gold notes is just a new feature that has been updated on Instagram. Gold notes on Instagram likely refers to an aesthetic theme or style where a user posts their notes with a gold color palette or overlay. Let's see how you can use this feature on Instagram. First thing first, you have to make sure that your application is up to date. Once you have the latest version of the app, simply open it. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Now, in order to add notes, tap on this inbox icon at the top right corner of the screen. Your notes feature will be available to you. Tap on notes. Now, in order to have the gold theme, what you want to do is you have to include the word gold on your notes. So let me write something like I love gold and then tap on share at the top right corner. And there you go, the gold theme has been applied to your Instagram notes. Well, if you enter the notes without the word gold, then the gold theme feature won't be applied to your notes. You can see that the gold theme feature has not been applied. So whenever you enter the notes, you have to make sure that the word gold is included, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get gold notes on Instagram. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.